Hello and welcome to the CLMS video training tutorial, where we will cover the basics to assist Lodge secretaries in their duties and navigating their way through CLMS, the CLMS membership database system. First, in order to access CLMS, you must be a Lodge secretary or be appointed by the Lodge secretary as a CLMS 2 staffer. There are two CLMS systems, CLMS 2 Web and CLMS 2 PC. Each are similar, however, certain things can only be done in one and not the other. CLMS 2 Web is where you will enter new applicants, update membership information, and control the data that is input into the system. CLMS 2 Web is online through elks.org extended access. CLMS 2 PC serves as the place to create and print membership cards, member reports, along with several other items. CLMS 2 PC is a program that is downloaded from CLMS 2 Web onto your Windows desktop. Beginning with CLMS 2 Web, once logged in through elks.org extended access, let's walk through the top menu and see the various features and capabilities. On the Home tab, you'll see various subcategories including News, Supplies and Forms, Download CLMS 2 PC, and so on. On the Home News tab is where you will find updates, news and notices for Lodge secretaries, manuals, as well as access to the Grants dashboard where you or your Lodge-appointed Grants coordinator can apply for ENF grants. The next tab, Supplies and Forms, is where you order new Grand Lodge supplies, membership cards, jewels, ENF supplies, as well as Grand Lodge forms and meeting minute templates. The next tab under Home is Download CLMS 2 PC for Windows, where a link is provided to download CLMS 2 PC onto your Windows computer. Please follow the step-by-step instructions to download the membership database program so that you can begin printing new membership cards, reports, and much more. Also under Home, you will find Online Help. This help section is filled with useful information with how-tos from getting started, the control panel, filing options, filtering options, reports, appointing officers, committees, accounting, and much more. The next menu item is Roster. This is the area that you add new candidates, update membership information, process transferring members, and more, including your Lodge membership statistics of how many members you have. You will spend a lot of time here inputting all of the data that is entered into the database. This is also where alerts will be displayed for your attention, flag records that need your attention, notifications of incoming transfers, membership inquiries, process dues payments, drop delinquent members, as well as appoint Lodge officers and committee members. This is also where you will update your charitable giving data that must be done every month. The next tab is Reports. Here you will find many reports. However, please note that the majority of the reports you will only be able to access via CLMS 2 PC. Here you will find membership reports, charitable reports, CLMS status reports, ENF reports, and this is also where to determine which lodge the applicant should apply based on the applicant's mailing zip code and lodge jurisdictions. The next menu is Settings, where you may update your lodge information such as mailing address, change of name of the exalted ruler and lodge secretary that's printed on membership cards, as well as special notes on membership dues statements, mail and email settings, life membership requirements, data, and more. The next tab is Officers, Committees, and Auxiliaries. This is where you will update your Lodge officers every year or when a new officer is appointed, as well as appoint members to committees and committee chairs in addition to Lodge auxiliaries. Under the Accounting tab is a place to make membership dues payments. The Options tab is for advanced setting users. This area allows you to enable editing of read-only documents and sensitive data and permanent deletion of records. The next section is Staff. In this area, you can appoint CLM 2 staffers, cyber assistants, grant coordinators, bylaw coordinators, hoop shoot chair, charitable reports coordinator, as well as validate ELK users on elks.org website. The next section is Messaging. This is a section that you can answer and reach out to other Lodge secretaries to inquire about transfers, member jurisdiction, and more. The final tab menu is Support. This section provides technical and administrative assistance from approved CLMS helpers. When seeking assistance, begin with your state or district CLMS coordinator. These dedicated and knowledgeable members can answer most of your CLMS how-to questions. The online Secretary Forum is a 24-hour resource where you can post questions, search for topics, or comment on posts to advise as appropriate. Here you will also find the CLMS Help Desk and knowledge-based headquarters staff that maintains extensive knowledge where you'll find answers to many common as well as advanced questions. Once all of your information has been entered into CLMS 2 Web, now it's time to open CLMS 2 PC. If your CLMS 2 PC is already open, always remember to sync it so that your CLMS 2 PC pulls your recently entered data from CLMS 2 Web. If you do not sync the database systems, your recently entered data will not appear in CLMS 2 PC. In CLMS 2 PC under Roster is where you will print membership cards, statements, and more. CLMS 2 PC is also where you can run reports, see your settings, officers, committees, auxiliaries, accounting, and more that was all entered through CLMS 2 Web. Additional letters, reports, and mailings can also be generated through CLMS 2 PC. There is so much more detail to be explored and explained in both CLMS 2 Web and CLMS 2 PC. This is just the beginning to assist new Lodge secretaries with the ELKS member database system, CLMS. Please stay tuned for future, more in-depth tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your new position as secretary of your local ELKS Lodge.